Hello everyone, let's dive into the LOFREE Zero ARTZ mechanical keyboard. This 75% layout keyboard immediately catches the eye with its unique terrazzo gray color scheme, drawing inspiration from the classic terrazzo design. It's not just a keyboard, it's a statement piece for your desk. The dual-color PBT keycaps feel great to the touch and promise durability. LOFREE has paid attention to the details, ensuring a comfortable and long-lasting typing experience. This keyboard is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, making it versatile for different users. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth, USB-A, and USB-C options. Whether you prefer a wireless setup or a wired connection for minimal latency, the LOFREE Zero ARTZ has you covered. It works seamlessly with laptops, PCs, and tablets, offering flexibility for various devices. As a mechanical keyboard, it delivers a tactile and responsive feel. The linear switches provide a smooth and consistent keystroke, which is great for both typing and gaming. It's designed for everyday use, personal projects, and even business tasks, making it a reliable all-rounder. The LOFREE Zero ARTZ comes with special features like backlighting, hotkeys, and media keys. The backlighting enhances the visual appeal and makes it easier to type in low-light conditions. The hotkeys and media keys provide quick access to essential functions, improving productivity. It's also rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. The hot-swappable design allows you to easily change the switches to customize the feel and sound of the keyboard to your liking. Overall, the LOFREE Zero ARTZ is a well-designed and feature-rich mechanical keyboard that stands out with its unique aesthetics and versatile functionality.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.